From our Addictions and Community Health Professional Program.
Good afternoon, parents, friends, teachers, mentors, administration, and fellow graduates. Today presents an opportunity to celebrate our academic achievement and allow us to reflect on the different challenges we have faced. The last year has been filled with twists and turns, testing our resilience, adaptability, and strength. As valedictorian, I stand before you to express our collective triumph as we navigated the uncharted territory of online learning during the pandemic. Online learning has taught us invaluable lessons beyond the pages of our textbooks. We discovered the power of perseverance as we conquered technical difficulties and overcame amounts of frustration. We became masters of muting and unmuting at the right time during our online class, being put into breakout rooms and overcoming the awkward silence waiting for someone to speak first. We learned time management, juggling assignments, household responsibilities, work, and personal well-being. We developed self-discipline, motivating ourselves to stay focused even in the face with endless distractions and dealing with the stresses of life. These experiences have shaped us into resilient individuals capable of facing any challenge that life throws our way. Despite our physical distance, we discovered strength in ourselves and fostered a profound sense of community. Although separated, we found ways to connect, support, and inspire one another. From virtual study groups to late-night video chats, we formed bonds that transcended the limitations of distance. Today, as we gather here in person, we are reminded of the power of the human connection. We cherish the opportunity to stand side by side and share laughter, tears, and memories. While our journey through online learning has distanced us physically, it has brought us closer in spirit. We have united in shared experiences, our shared triumphs, and our shared hopes for the future. To our teachers, thank you for your unwavering dedication and commitment to our education, for adapting to the demands of remote teaching and never giving up on us. You work tirelessly, finding ways to engage us, to foster meaningful connections, and to inspire us from a distance. You remain the guiding lights in our academic journey, reminding us that education is not confined to the walls of a physical classroom. Your passion for knowledge has ignited our own flames, forever shaping the trajectory of our lives. To our families, thank you for your unwavering support, for the countless sacrifices you have made to ensure our success. Your love and encouragement has been the cornerstone of our achievements, and we are forever grateful. To the administration and the organizers, thank you for everything you've done and for making this day possible. And to my fellow graduates, congratulations. As we venture into the next phase of our lives, let's carry with us the lessons we've learned from this unfamiliar time. Let's remember that behind every pixelated face is someone with hopes, dreams, and the potential to make a difference in this world. Let's harness the connections we've made, the friendships we've formed, and the memories we share to make a brighter future. As we leave this stage today, let us embrace the boundless possibilities that await us. In closing, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the class of 2022 and 2023. May our accomplishments during this period of online learning serve as a testament to our resilience. And may we continue to embrace challenges with the same determination and grace. Let us not only celebrate our academic achievements, but also our wavering spirit that has propelled us forward. Thank you and congratulations.